Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then tap here to the more connections. Here you'll see the NFC section, tap there and just click once on the switcher to turn on the NFC on your device, and here you will see the NFC icon. So, and just to turn off the NFC, just tap here again on this NFC switcher, and that's it. Also, you can make it by the second way. You just should open your notification panel, and somewhere here you will have the NFC icon. Just tap once on the icon to activate the NFC on your device, and that's it. And just to turn it off, tap here again on this icon, and that's how it looks. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.